Welcome to HBL Market Insights. The State Bank took a pause in this monetary policy meeting, keeping policy rate unchanged at 12%, which was contrary to market expectations of at least a 50 bips cut. The main reason for this policy action, as highlighted in the press release, was the pressure on the external account with weak financial inflows and a broad-based increase in imports. Import of goods were at the highest level in January 25 compared to August 22 levels. Now, the pressure on external account is already being reflected in the currency market, with pressure on rupee dollar and interbank already touching at 280 levels. Headline inflation for February was at historic lows at 1.5%, but core inflation remains elevated at 8.8%. In terms of projections, the MPC expects inflation to come down further before inching up to 6 to 7% level. Now, the major risk for this inflation outlook comes from volatility in food prices, protectionist policies in major economies, and additional revenue measures. Furthermore, the impact of monetary easing is already transmitting into the real economy, as reflected by some of the leading indicators such as autos, petroleum, and cement sales, as well as the HBL PMI indicator, which came in at 54 for the month of February. This should bode well for the upcoming LSM and GDP statistics. On the external front, the SBP is expecting a current account projection between a surplus and a deficit of 0.5% of GDP. Planned inflows which were delayed earlier are now expected in the April to June quarter, and majority of the debt repayments for the year have already been made. The SBP reserves are now likely to reach above 13 billion by June 25. Looking ahead, the current monetary stance is appropriate to keep real rates adequately positive on a forward basis. Monetary policy will remain data dependent while keeping a close look on global market developments and core CPI trends. That's all from us this time around. We'll keep you posted for any other market developments. Thank you.